In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Notes. Notes in Tradervue are a simple but powerful way to capture your thoughts, trading plans, and takeaways so you can reflect and improve over time. Think of them as your personal log of ideas and lessons that sit right alongside your trading data, making it easy to connect what you thought with what actually happened. To get started, go to Journal. This is the area where your written reflections live, and it keeps your commentary close to your trades and daily activity. Opening the journal sets the stage for writing, whether you're documenting pre-market plans, post-trade reviews, or general insights you want to revisit later. Next, click Create Notes. This opens a clean editor where you can type freely. You'll see a space ready for your thoughts, and it's designed to help you focus on what matters, capturing context, decisions, and lessons in your own words. A helpful approach is to begin with a short, descriptive title so you can recognize the note at a glance later. Then, in the body, write out what you're thinking. For example, you might include your market read for the day, the specific setups you're considering, the criteria that would invalidate a trade idea, or a brief summary of outcomes and what you learned. As you type, aim for clarity over length. Short paragraphs, clear headings written in line, and consistent phrasing make your notes easier to skim in the future. If you reference a particular symbol, time frame, or economic event, include it in the text so searching becomes effortless. You can also add a quick reflection at the end, such as what you'd do differently next time, or a one-line takeaway that future you will appreciate. Once you've typed in the notes you want to create, Tradervue will automatically create the note and put it under the Notes tab. There's no extra action required to finalize it. Your note will live alongside your other written entries, organized with the rest of your journal content, so you can compare today's thinking with previous sessions and monitor your progress over time. That's all it takes. Go to Journal, click Create Notes, and type what you want to capture. The system handles the rest, ensuring your insight is saved and easy to find later. With a consistent habit of writing notes, you'll build a clear record of your decision-making, spot patterns faster, and turn daily observations into long-term improvement.